Okay, guys, here's part 2 of 4.5. I probably have only 2 minutes left. It cut me off right at the end, and I don't want to go back and re-record the whole thing. So we were finding the inverse cosine of an angle, or finding an angle whose cosine is negative root 2 over 2. That's the inverse cosine of negative root 2 over 2. You can see we drew a little sketch over here. We've got a reference angle. It's pi 4 away. If we know our unit circle, we already know exactly what that angle is in radians. But if you don't remember your unit circle, well, shame on you. You can take this value right here, which is pi, and subtract your reference angle pi over 4, which gives you 3 pi over 4. So that is our angle there that we are referencing here. The inverse sine, inverse cosine, and inverse tangent are sometimes represented by arc sine, arc cos, arc cosine, and arc tan. Arc meaning inverse. So you may see those terms as well. I told you I was almost finished. I just couldn't get it in there, and I didn't want to re-record the whole thing. But today we defined, evaluated, and graphed inverse trig functions. And we did that by using our knowledge of trig ratios. We did it by using our knowledge of the graphs, our trig graphs. We did it by using our knowledge of the unit circle. And we also did it by using our knowledge of the Pythagorean theorem to find angles that maybe aren't on the unit circle. Go back and watch this video, any parts that you had questions about. Make sure that you write your questions down and bring those up next class.